Hi there and welcome back to another Sowing Seedz grammar lesson. Today we are going to talk about future perfect in passive voice. Let's look at this active example. They will have finished the stadium by the end of the year. To convert it into passive, all we need to do is put the passive subject at the beginning, then put will have been, plus past participle form of the verb. The stadium will have been finished by the end of the year. Another example. The landlord will have evicted them by the time he sells the house. Put the passive subject first, then will have been, then past participle. They will have been evicted by the time the landlord sells the house. Now you try. Translate this sentence into passive. All students will have handed the papers by the end of the term. So, just like before, you have to put a passive subject first. In this example, it's the papers, then will have been, then the past participle form of the verb. The right answer is, the papers will have been handed by the end of the term. Okay, I hope it was helpful. See you in the next episode.